It's currently Wednesday, May 11th, 2022, 1:08 a.m. So it looks like we have a big gap. Well, the overall theme, let's start with that. The overall theme and behavior for the day is going to be the revisiting of a past opportunity at a support level when we have a sudden dip in the midst of a period of sideways rotation. So we have important price level highlighted first thing in the morning in the pre-market. And there is a notable move, guys, a notable move that takes place on the pre-market just before the open, having to do with that agreement between two leaders again. Look, we saw it here on the post-market on the 16th. We saw it in the morning on the 17th, and here in the morning on the 18th now. Interesting. An agreement between two leaders. All right, in the first half hour, we have a push higher through a resistance level. We don't stay there very long. We break down through that same price level again shortly after, and we create kind of like a capital A shape, with the price level being the cross through the upside down V, so an A shape, if you will. And then from that bit of the decline back down through resistance, looks like we have a low there between roughly 10 and 11 somewhere. But from that low, we have a big push higher, effectively going from support to resistance between roughly 11 and 12. We have a day's high. In the midst of some volatility, there's a breakdown from that level. A notable breakdown from that level through multiple supports, and that creates a trade opportunity. This notable breakdown takes place roughly between 12 and 1. And then there's sideways fluidity. We revisit that support level, that theme support level, and that opportunity there through some sideways rotation. Looks like between 1 and 2. There's a U-shaped dip that takes place around some perpendicular diagonal trend lines between 2 and 3, and then end of day we have a big push to the upside. Looks like we probably have interesting. This decision is really significant, guys. In any case, we have a big push higher right around the close. It's a fake out, and that marks an opportunity or a price level from which we'll go lower when we do break down. Looks like by the end of the week, we're breaking down pretty sharply again. Sneak preview card for the following day is a push higher to reach a distant resistance level. The behavior to reach the day's high was a breakout, and the behavior around the day's low is going to be some price swings with a bullish trajectory. And that's the 18th. That's May 18th, 2022. Guys, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Much appreciated. Blessings to you, and I'll see you on the next one.